go cook. Okay, so we've taken the side covers off. Up here it comes off as a whole. Yeah, and then that when then this lifts up, right? Then if you go into 0 mode, here 0 is for testing. Okay, in testing mode this changes it, but basically you can test each one of these. Yep, and you just use this to scroll. So C0, right, makes this test this up and down. Yep, the C1 makes this go round, stop. Yep, the C2 checks each one of these back and forth. And then C3 checks each one of these, right? And then as where we started, this checks each one of those. So 00 is testing. Now the standard is 144, so up here so if you have a look up here, so the 0 position of this switch is for testing, and the standard is 144 number of blocks. But this number just changes how many blocks you have and what style. But generally they reckon the 144 and position 1 is generally standard out of China. But different ones you might want it. But that's how this works. Now generally what's failing in the motors, right? So when you take the circlip off, you take out the gearbox, and then you take out this motor, right? And that's what's failing. So this cage is falling out of there. So that's an important thing. That's basically your bush at the back. Okay, so don't lose that. That sits down. And see that whole back edge is broken off. And you can see it in there. So basically all you need to do is glue that into there, make that one solid piece, reassemble it, and it's all good to go. Okay, that's it.